Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making Kilecheh and walnut cream rolls. So let's start baking. There are two parts of ingredients for the Kilecheh and walnut cream rolls. For the first part, you will need 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of melted butter, ½ cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, I've used Nido, 1/4 cup of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of ground cardamom, ½ teaspoon of salt, and for the yeast mixture you will need ½ cup of warm milk, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For the cream filling, you will need 1½ cups of heavy cream or whipping cream, 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of crushed walnuts with ½ teaspoon of ground cardamom, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. To make the shape of the Kilecheh cream rolls, you will need to get some rods that are used to make cannolis. You can get them at any kitchen supply places, shops, and if you can't find them, you can substitute with getting some parchment paper and just rolling it like this. And this is where we put the pastry around. And it's a great substitute if you can't find these at the kitchen supply stores. is how your Kilecheh and walnut cream rolls should look like. You can serve it for Easter or Christmas or any time of the year. It's a nice way, a different way of making Kilecheh. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!